Hello, my name is Christina. Let's review some of the pros of having a salon install your hair system versus doing it yourself. Having the same stylist or even going to the same salon will help ensure your hair remains consistent. Stylists not only have a better angle of the top of your head, but their years of experience also provide them with the ability to seamlessly blend the system with your natural hair. Doing it yourself can sometimes present challenges, and learning to install a hair system can take months. Even professionals who've gone through training and attempt to self-install can experience lopsided hair and messy installations from time to time. Starting the process on your own can lead to months or even years of headaches. Think about how many installs a stylist does in a given day and imagine how many you'll have to do on yourself before you perfect it. When you install a hair system by yourself at home, you're essentially walking around with a stock system. This can reduce the believability of your hair tremendously. That's why we recommend having it installed at a salon. You'll not only get a precise attachment, but also a haircut that will blend seamlessly with your natural hair. While we encourage our clients to practice maintenance at home, having your system installed for the first time at a salon will give you a great head start. You'll learn the proper process, what looks good on you, plus maintenance tips and tricks that will help you on your journey. Each system is carefully fitted to the balding area of that given client. This is crucial when it comes to maximizing the system's undetectability and providing you with a comfortable fit. Having a professional install your system will save you time, energy, and you have the added bonus of knowing what products are a best match for that system. You also won't have to worry about a lopsided installation. When installing a system, you want to attach it from the front to the back. This is so that you can properly place the system on your hairline, which is pivotal when it comes to achieving that natural look. Even if you've perfectly set up a mirror, you're going to have hair hanging down your face, making the process difficult. So it's better to leave it to the professionals. When installing a system at home, the entire ordeal can last anywhere from an hour and a half to 3 hours. That's 3 hours of stress that can be avoided. Alternatively, going to a stylist will take about an hour. Your relationship with a stylist is not only professional, but personal, especially when working in the world of hair systems. Balding can be a private experience you may not want to share with others. Stylists offer a kind ear to your story and are here to set you up with the right look for your future. Just kick back and relax, knowing someone with experience knows what you're dealing with and can help you look your best. And those are some of the reasons we here at Superhairpieces recommend having your system installed by a professional at the salon. I hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. My name is Christina, and I'll see you next time. Bye!